guys, and welcome to Friday's face mask.
1, 2, 3. Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high ever.
Hi my loves, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Leslie Ann. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So it's Friday's face mask. So today's face mask is this. This is Pixi's Glow O2 Oxygen Mask, and it's a bubbling energizing mask. I actually got this from the Pixi website. I will link it in the description box below, how much it was, etc. And of course the Pixi website. The skin loving ingredients: probiotic helps generate skin barrier, caffeine depuffs and energizes, red ginseng brightens and clarifies. So they're the list of the ingredients there. And I'm going to pop it on now. So it says, and I have used this a couple of times before and I absolutely love it. It's brilliant, honestly. Okay, what it claims to do is, this oxygen treatment mask revives dull, tired skin, providing an immediate anti-fatigue effect, perfect before the big event or makeup application. Oxygen complex, vitamins, ginseng, caffeine and antioxidants replenish. Probiotics strengthen skin and lactic acid detoxifies. It says use AM or PM. Smooth onto cleansed face, avoiding the eye area. The gel will begin to bubble and slight tingling sensation is normal. Rinse off after 2 to 3 minutes. Use once a week or as needed. Now, I have used this before a couple of times. It is absolutely brilliant. Afterwards I can see that my skin's got a lot of pink back to it, where it's had a really good, the bubbles have really got the oxygen working in my skin again. Yes, I have had the odd little bit of tingling, but it's really weird because I seem to get my tingling like on just one little area. I think it was here the last time. I've never ever had a full face of the tingling. Anyway, I'm going to get it on. If you're new to my channel, I feel that I have to say this every time, but if you are new to my channel, I've actually broken my humerus, so I've got this brace on, so I'm doing everything with one hand, so everything's taken me just that little bit longer to do. So it comes in a pump application. I'm just going to pop it onto a little dish so that I can then apply it onto my skin, because I obviously can't put it between my hands and my fingers and rub it on, so just give it a little shake. It is a clear gel formulation, and I'm just going to show you on the brush as I put it onto my skin. You see it's clear gel, but it won't be long and it will start to work. It doesn't take long at all to it's starting to work already. I need to pump some more out quickly. There we go. Quickly get this on. You can see it's all starting to do the little bubble work, can't you? And I've used, in the past, I've used many bubble face masks, whether they're the sheet masks or whether they're ones that you just put on your skin and they bubble a bit like this one. But I have to say, this is the best one I have ever used, as in the results. It's clearly amazing. Really see the difference on your skin. I haven't got any tingling at all now. Now this is usually where I get some. Yep, I'm feeling it straight away. Isn't it weird that this is the only place on my forehead and on this side, on the right side, that I only ever feel any sensation from it. Never anywhere else. Isn't it weird? Right, there we go. Now I can leave that 2 to 3 minutes and then I will go and wash it off. But I might as well stay talking to you for 2 to 3 minutes, because there's no time at all, is there? There's no point in me saying, oh, I'll be back to show you, because I might as well just, do it now. Just get the timer on my phone. Just just put the timer on, that's easier. So you can see already how it's bubbling up and going all, it's tiny bubbles. And a lot of the other bubble masks, especially the sheet bubble masks, I find with those that they bubble so aggressively, if you like, that it's like dripping off your mouth and off your nose and down into your eyes, whereas this one, but then having said that, I guess if you put it on any thicker, it may do. It may do. I don't see the point in having it too thick, because I don't think it's going to do a better job by having it too thick. But yeah, I found this lovely. It's really nice. I really like the Pixi range. Really like it. So quick, isn't it, as well? 2 to 3 minutes. That's all you leave it on for. Here we go. So, there you are. This is what it looks like after the final 3 minutes. You can still see how deep it is, but it's so much more, I don't know, refined somehow. Anyway, I'm going to go wash it off and I will be back. I took the time to take this off and then quickly had like a very quick shower. But yeah, this is it. And I find that it brings a lot of pink back to my face. I guess because it's an oxygen working one with all the bubbles, that's what it must do. It's just like all the little bubbles going like this must just promote the oxygen going back into the skin. But I love it. It's fantastic. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and it's been quite quick, this one, because it is very quick. That's another advantage of using this mask. So if you want to luxuriate in a pamper time and have 20 minutes or so, then maybe a sheet mask is the way to go. If you want speed and just to get your skin looking its best before a night out or something, then quickly put this on. 2 to 3 minutes, done, bang, out the door. Well, not quite. Yes, I hope you have enjoyed it. I will see you for next week's Friday's face mask. Bye. Bye, my lovelies. Take care. Bye.